my name is Emilia and I'm a 23-year-old Ecuadorian woman who would really like to show you my country. I want to show you how Ecuadorian people live, what our culture is like, what my reality is like, and hopefully maybe break some stereotypes about, hopefully I will break some stereotypes about what Latin American people are like. You may notice that I'm in a beautiful place right now. This is actually River Tomebamba. We are in Cuenca, which I consider to be the prettiest city in Ecuador, so that's why I wanted to make my first video right here. I'm here with my family. We came on a road trip. We're from Quito. What we want to do is explore the city, also attend to some art exhibits from the Bienal, which I'm going to tell you about later, and eat delicious food and just have fun. So I hope you can come with me and have fun too. We're trying to make the road trip hours as short as possible and also like have fun, go to different cities in our beautiful country. How many hours are we gonna take to get there? Uh-huh.
3 hours.
I'll check with you later, I guess. We arrived here in Riobamba. Right now I think we're gonna go have lunch because we haven't eaten and it's already 4:30 in the afternoon. But yeah, we're gonna spend the night here in this hotel. It's actually really pretty. Yeah, we'll see. Alright.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to explore the amazing place that is Ecuador. On our first journey, we're going to Riobamba.
Yep, that's me. We just had lunch at Pizzeria El Hornero. That's a great place to eat if you are looking for like a safe type of food. You don't want to experiment that much and you want pizza. Yeah, it's good comfort food. There's restaurants of that chain like everywhere in Ecuador. Everyone from Ecuador knows and loves Pizzeria El Hornero. So today we went to the old town in Cuenca and we walked around the river shore, which was very beautiful. Then we had lunch in this lovely little cafe. The food was actually pretty delicious. We all enjoyed it a lot. For dessert, we went to this bakery that was just a couple blocks away and it was a French bakery. Everything was delicious there too. We had like some coffee and dessert. After that, we walked around some more. We actually didn't go to any museums, but we did go to some little shops and stuff. Si te vas a sacar ahí es para darme soporte moral, no para hacerme sentir peor. Cora Luna over there making me feel self-conscious. And that's it. I'll see you tomorrow. name is Santa Ana de los Ríos de Cuenca, and she likes to be called by it please, because there's 4 rivers that actually go through the city. They are Tomebamba, Yanuncay, Tarqui, and Machangara. Cuenca is an Andean city. It's in the SY province. It's known for its Spanish architecture, Spanish European architecture, which I consider to be very beautiful. It's not only beautiful because of the architecture, but also because it's a very coherent city, which is not very common in Ecuador, sadly. No, gracias. Most of the buildings, especially in the old town, are here since colonial times. Because of this, the UNESCO declared it a World Heritage Site. Bienal actually means biannual. It's biannual curated art exhibits that are scattered throughout the whole city. It happens every 2 years, but each new bienal has its own concept. So this year's concept is life structures. It's actually the 14th bienal that was ever made.
In Cuenca.
In Cuenca, yeah. Mira esa abeja aquí. Right now we're in the Museo de Arte Moderno, Museum of Modern Art. What I can see here from all the exhibits that I've been walking through, it defies the traditional way of depicting art, like as an object that you're just supposed to look at and just be in awe or something like that. These type of exhibits compel you to approach the art in a different way and interact with it. There's this exhibit where you can try on these like pieces of clothing that are very weird. I'm gonna show you right now. Or you have to read it and really concentrate on what it's telling you, or maybe listen to it. It's art in non-traditional ways that actually make you part of the art, which feels really nice. So right now we just stopped in this Belgian brewery to have a Belgian beer.
Se ve que está restaurado ese pequeño edificio.
Oh, so good.
Es mucho más barato porque lo que te ahorras en taxi.
Ryan Little.
What are you guys doing?
El libro está escrito al revés para que te incomodes y te pongas a leer con el espejo. Ajá. No traigo nada y no encontraré nada. Tengo el cansancio anticipado de lo que no encontraré.
This is Museo de la Ciudad. We played around a lot more in this museum. It was really fun. Just so you know, all of the exhibits from the Bienal are free. You can just come and play and be happy, and you don't even have to pay. How great is that? We are in the Cuenca Cathedral. It's made with pink marble, so you can see it all around me. Ecuador is a very Catholic country. A Christmas tradition just as important as putting up our Christmas tree is making a nativity scene, the birth of Jesus Christ. And this is the most extra one that I've ever seen in my whole life. I've never seen one that moves and stuff. It's really interesting.
El altar mayor.
So my dad is saying that this church has a lot of Roman influence in the architecture and how it's built.
Like in everywhere.
Like everywhere.
Not only here in Cuenca.
Yeah, I guess.
The Catholic world is the same.
True.
O sea, casi nunca se cae, pero cuando se cae, se cae.
Exacto.
Vamos a acabar con los alimentos.
¿Crees que ya se te
Sí, pero sí, claro, no, ya llegamos. Ya verán. ¿Qué van a hacer allá?
Le van a dar pues la vuelta aquí. ¿Ah?
Abajo dice que sí se puede dar la vuelta.
Abajo sí como
Sí, sí, sí.
¿Cómo salimos nosotros de aquí?
So the day took a turn for the worse. I fell down really bad and now I'm gonna have to get stitches in my leg. But, you know, everything's fine. I'm gonna show you what my wound looks like now. Look, isn't that great? Like you can hardly tell. I mean, it's a mess, but you know, it's good, other than my hairy legs.
¿Cómo están? Soy el Dr. Estudillo, pues colaborando con el video, pero todo perfecto.
It's the end of the day, finally. It all happened very quickly. A dog was barking at my nephew, and this like maternal instinct came through me, and I just had to like save him. At the end of the day, the dog was not even like an angry dog. He was not gonna do anything. So yeah, the same dog that I was trying to save my nephew from came up to me, and I was like petting him to calm down while we were waiting for the ambulance. Like it all went by pretty smoothly. The ambulance came in less than 5 minutes since we called them, and then we were in and out of the hospital in less than 2 hours. I got sutured by a doctor who can do face transplants, and the bill was less than $300. Just so you know, if you ever have like an emergency in Cuenca, the healthcare system is actually pretty great. Hopefully you won't need it, because you won't be trying to be a hero and doing stupid stuff, but you know, whatever, everything is fine. What the hell just happened? Life happens sometimes and you just have to deal with it. I'm okay. It doesn't really hurt anymore. But however, I did get 12 stitches on my first YouTube video ever. So if that doesn't deserve a thumbs up, I don't know what does, guys. Like I really think I deserve a thumbs up. Other than that, I did have fun in Cuenca. It's a beautiful city. I've said it 1,000 times in this video, but I'll say it again. You should definitely come here if you ever come to Ecuador. Last thing I really want to say about Cuenca is that people here are so nice. The guys from the ambulance, they made me feel safe, and they were telling me jokes and like talking to me. It was all like, I don't know, it wasn't that bad of an experience. And well, I did say that what I wanted to do in this video was break some stereotypes, and I think I did break the stereotype that Latin American countries have terrible healthcare systems, because, well, I had a pretty great experience with everything that happened. Right now, I'm heading to Santa Elena province. That's the beach, you guys. I'm going to the beach, yay! I'm gonna make some videos there too. So if you're interested in seeing more of my country, then you can subscribe below and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified when I post a new video. I hope you found this video entertaining or useful in any way. That would really make my day if it did. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!